I'm going to jump on all the trampolines we have here and kind of just completely see what the noise factor is on each one, not really judge them by anything else, but the quietness or the loudness that they are exerting. This is the lympholine, and there is, looks like something's a little loose on one side, but kind of a moderate noise, not too bad. Noise is kind of similar on this one. Stiff. This is the Irvin. This one's a little more springy. The noise, not too terrible. It's the Rebound Air. This one is by far the noisiest so far. Pretty irritating. This is the latest cellar sizer. Sound is almost non-existent. You can barely hear it. Over here is a little bit of an older version of the cellar sizer. I don't know what kind of changes they made, but the newer version is obviously so much quieter. You can hear a pin drop. This one is one of the louder ones that we've tested so far. Here's one of the newer decks. Pretty quiet, but still a little bit of a sound. Kind of has that sound where you feel like you're in a tunnel. It reverberates a little bit. Here's the older version of the knee deck. This one's a little rusted away, so this is one of the loudest ones that we've been on so far. Obviously no metal springs here, so the sound is completely different. Extremely quiet, but actually the sound of your feet hitting the mat is louder than on the other mats. This one has much less give. Once again, the mat is louder. Springs, noise is non-existent, but the mat, that's the loudest part of this. So after reviewing all the ones we have here, the loudest ones are probably the older version of the knee DAC that rusted away combined with the Rebound Air. Those were the loudest ones. The softest one was the new version of the cellar sizer, and the knee DAC was a little further behind that, but the cellar sizer was definitely the quietest one.